Hi, this is Ebony with Family Style Traveling. We are still in Belize and we just checked into our next hotel, Exhahan. Exhahan is a lovely resort north on Ambergris Caye, and I'll give you a tour of our room. All right, well now let's go inside and take a peek at our suite. And here's Savannah. Savannah, are you going to help me on a room tour? All right. So this is all kid approved, apparently. All right, so when you first come in, we have our living room. And just look at these beautiful woods. Another thing I like too, and you'll hear this a lot, the designer in me loves these high ceilings. I mean, this is amazing. You really have this is spacious anyway, but these high ceilings just give you even more space. And, all right, so this futon is where Savannah will be sleeping. That folds out. And then over here, you have a nice view. This has a lot of windows too, a nice view of the pool. So there are two pools here. Oh, with the screen, I was a little too close. So that's one of the pools. And then I'll do some video of the other one, but you can kind of see the other one that has kind of like the beach entry in the back. And over where the yellow is over there, that is the, I guess like the reception cabin. So some nice artwork right here. Chair. Oh yeah. And then here's the kitchen. Look at this beautiful wood. So fully stocked. Actually the wine came with us. But microwave, full-size refrigerator, so you got all of our snacks in.
And there's a horse seat.
Oh yeah, can you open the pantry, Savannah?
Yes.
So the pantry's great to stock like all of our other snacks and whatnot. Thank you. And where's the horse?
And they're here.
Oh yeah, so you'll see the horse, nice little accessories here. No smoking, which is great for us. I always find the best place to charge my stuff, so charging station right here, little decorative figure. Always find a place to put our shoes.
A lizard jug.
Oh yes, a lizard jug or vase. Savannah, do you want to show us the bedroom?
Yes.
All right, so here is the bedroom at our oceanfront villa. Nice little fish artwork. I love the primary colors in that.
And there's a horse here.
Oh yeah, nice big king size bed, nightstands, and then there we go, TV cabinet, and then as Savannah was pointing out, the horse up there. Nice place for, can you open the closet, sweetheart?
Oh yeah.
Show everyone the closet and all the storage that we have.
Uh-huh.
All right, so plenty of storage. And what's important for us, which is a place to keep all your passports and other documents and whatnot. Place for a suitcase. And then
Bathroom.
DVD player up there we saw in the registration area. They had like board games and DVDs you could rent. All right, let's go into the bathroom.
Right here.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay. All right, we got a full-length mirror here, which is awesome. And looks like a place to put your shoes too, which is pretty cool. All right, let's go into the bathroom.
There's another way to go in the bathroom though.
Oh, really? All right. Well, let's look at the bathroom first, and you'll show us that secret way. So, nice bathroom, nice mirror, drawers, lots of places to put like, other stuff. I guess like toiletries and whatnot.
You cannot open this.
Oh yeah, because that's where the sink is, sweetheart. So then we got nice shower, towels. I like this right here. It
And
makes
we got
shaving
paper
your legs a little
towels.
easier. Let me get some footage of that. Nice little shower niche.
And there's soap.
Oh, so we did get toiletries there. Let's get a shot of that.
And we got
What else do we have? Oh, got that. I'm still trying to work this out.
Look at me.
All right, show us the other way out, Savannah.
And
Oh yeah, hair dryer. All right, so do you need help? Okay, so yep, other way out. So, oops, bathroom entrance. So since there's one bathroom in there, let's go here.
Meow, meow, meow. I'm a kitty cat. Meow, meow,
Dining
meow.
room table.
And there's seats. Colorful seats.
Yeah.
And a colorful chair.
Oh yes, a very tropical theme.
And
Around
no,
here.
no smoking.
Yes, no smoking. We're really adamant about that because even if you stay at a property that does allow smoking, you can always tell. So that's always key for us.
You can only tell the smell.
Oh, Savannah, do you want to show the louvers by the bedroom?
Yes.
So this is interesting. I've never seen this before. I don't know if this is specifically a Belizean interior feature. So right by the bedroom, it has, I guess you could say like what louvers, and they open up. I'm assuming it's for airflow, but I think it's pretty unique here.
There's
So they open
fluffy
up.
pillows.
Oh yeah, they are fluffy. It's a little trick. You don't want to get our fingers. Oop. And go down. Oh, wash your fingers. There we go. If you want some privacy, or if you want to check on Savannah, since she's the one sleeping on this couch right here, we can open them up. You want to try opening them up?
Yep.
All right. So is that how you're going to say good morning to us tomorrow?
Good morning.
All right. I'm going to be like, it's too early. All right. So that was our room tour of our suite. I guess this is an oceanfront villa at Extanza. So we're gonna go down and get our complimentary beverages. I get a rum punch and Savannah gets, what do you get?
Watermelon juice.
That's right. So we're in love with this place. It's so serene and just beautiful. The pictures online don't do it justice. It's just amazing. So stay tuned. And if you're interested in booking a suite like this, contact me at Family Style Travel. I'll get you hooked up.
And I have a butterfly dress.
You sure
and
do.
you have a flower dress.
That's right. And you get fashion tips from Savannah.
Yeah.